coming?
No. Yeah, come on, little mama. Continue on route. I know you got something cooking. You know what I'm talking about.
We got the wood place here.
In the heart of Tennessee.
Used to have an old limo sitting there. Strange place. What's strange about it?
It's the middle of nowhere. There's nothing to do here.
Well, there's not supposed to be anything to do. It's an Ecolodge. Remember, you want to go hiking. Now you can hike. I think we have a room. We checked it this morning and they said they confirmed it for Reeves.
Okay, for 4 nights?
Is Manoel around here?
No, it's not here. He went to fish.
Good.
I just need a signature down here.
Hotel.
Hey, this will work.
Shall I tell Manoel?
Yeah, we're going to go to Dominical. He hasn't been here before, so.
Okay.
I'll let you. Dinner's at 7, right?
7:30.
7:30?
Yeah? You want to have dinner?
No, we'll eat in town.
Okay.
But I'll see them later.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hola. ¿Cómo está usted? Still haven't got your email, Betty.
Don't worry.
It's Nuevo Arenal. The name of the place?
Yeah.
Nuevo Arenal.
Yeah, he did say that. I've got that here somewhere. Yeah.
And her name is Dawn. I think it's Dawn.
Donna.
Dawn. D-A-W-N.
Donna, okay.
Dawn's place.
Okay. Thank you. So you recommend that, do you?
It's a great value.
Yeah.
She's like the mother hen.
The mother hen, that's good.
Yeah. And of course she's been there 5 years, so she knows the area and
Right.
gives you great recommendations.
But did you like it? Yeah, I mean, did you like the area?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful?
It's gorgeous. You driving, right?
Yeah. But the thing is, my sister's got the 4-wheel drive. Yeah, I know. I'm in an ordinary car, and yesterday when we went up in the mountains, you needed a 4-wheel drive.
Oh yeah.
I don't know where she is. We're supposed to be going to Manuel Antonio this morning.
Yeah.
God knows where she is. She saw Sloth this morning, so she's over the moon. She's jumping in glee.
Well, there's tons of sloth and monkeys in
Yeah,
Manuel.
but they're too high up. But the sloths are very high up.
Ah.
The monkeys, no. I mean, I've got them right here next
Yeah.
to me. The monkeys, yeah.
Yeah. And we had the raccoons.
Yeah, the raccoons. They're called Conti or
Jillian them in
something. Yeah.
families.
They're
We
called
had a lot of
Simiet
those.
Restaurant. It's past Uvita. And you go up, it's absolutely magnificent. And you've got little rock pools and the views. Fantastic. It is fantastic. And they do yoga there, they do all sorts of things there.
Yeah.
It's fabulous.
We flew down with a gal that was doing a 1-week yoga shop here.
Oh, maybe it was there.
Yeah.
It wasn't Akari, was it? Akari,
I don't know.
Consigne, past Uvita.
Yeah.
On the right-hand side. Hello, voilà, madame. That's my sister. Hello, Karen. Waiting for you.
We have just seen another sloth.
She's just seen another sloth. These are our friends.
Oh, so that's a good reason to
This
be.
is Karen, my sister.
Hi.
Hi, Karen. Emily. How are you?